Alright, I'm starting my last day in Minneapolis this evening. Last night I got in about 8 o'clock, and the place to the place to register for the campground is actually a hotel, and I was super beat, so instead of going to the campground, I just registered for a hotel room, and it was definitely worth it last night. I went to a pub in town and got some dinner, and came back and crashed. So it's about 7 in the morning. I slept in a little, and I'm ready to hit the road. 77 miles today, so another super long day. Wind, hopefully, looks like it'll be in my favor. I know I said that yesterday, but it turned into a headwind instead. But also the big thing is partly cloudy, so really looking forward to that. My left leg really got burned. I put on sunscreen and everything, but it just got toasted from not only the sun but the road. So looking forward to getting on the road and finishing today out and enjoying a few days in Minneapolis. Peace out. Hopefully the top of this hill isn't too much further. Just stop in the shade for a break. It started to get to about 8% grade. I think it flattens out up there. We'll see. That was a blast. I climbed about 500 feet in elevation there on that hill, and then I had a descent of about 2.5 miles. It was awesome, just coasting at 30 miles an hour, a nice breeze to cool me down. It was killer. Pretty high climb for being in the Midwest, but it was awesome. Loved it. Time to refuel. At least there's a nice breeze though. Almost to the top of this hill. I think this is the last major climb. About 1,000 feet in elevation right now. Down from about 600 at the bottom. I was able to ride up about half of it until I got to about 8%. And then I just ran out of gears. So, plus it feels good to change up the leg muscles walking. So I don't mind it. Wow, you can just see for miles. Alright, I'm in Prescott at the Visitor Center. Getting ever so closer and closer. I'm about 42 miles in. I think it's about 1:30, 1:45. It's hot out today, but not as bad as yesterday. There's a nice breeze today, at least. But I just soaked my shirt in ice cold water. Oh my God, my whole body almost cramped up when I put it on. And it feels so good. Just got washed up. Gonna get something to eat here for lunch and then be on my way. I think maybe about 18 miles before I start heading west to Minneapolis. So I'll start to get off the river road or whatever at that point and start hitting some trails and stuff in Minneapolis, my way to downtown. So, but yeah, gorgeous day, nice view here, got a big lookout. So I'm gonna roll on into town. Alright, so I'm getting ready to cross the Mississippi River into Minnesota. It's been a while since I crossed over into Wisconsin. In a few, 5 days I think. So, anyway, I'm getting pretty close. I'm about 18 miles away from downtown Minneapolis, so can't wait. I don't know if you can see it back there, but that is St. Paul. I'm only headed there for the bike path on my way to Minneapolis, but it's like a pretty big city. Nice bike lanes everywhere around here.